Good morning, student. Today we will discuss GUI operating system desktop management. Previous class we have discussed about operating system. It works as an interface between the user and the hardware and run the application software. Today we will discuss about the Windows 7 operating system. Provide graphical user interface with various buttons and icons. Learn how can we customize the desktop and taskbar. Watch the complete video. Firstly, we will discuss about the features of Windows 7. With the help of Windows 7, we can easily search files or folders in computer. It provides flexible taskbar where we can pin our favorite program. Provide multitasking feature. We can do multiple work at a time. It provides jump list features. In these features, you can directly open document, pictures, song or websites you have recently visited. Open a jump list. Right click on a program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. There is minor differences between the Windows 7 and Windows XP. Now I will show you these features in Windows XP, but you can also do these features in Windows 7 after watching this video. Look at this screen. This is known as desktop. These small pictures are known as icons. These are program icons. When you want to open any program, you can click on this program like as. This is taskbar. The bottom bar is known as taskbar. Taskbar is divided into three parts. First one is start button. When we click on start button, it opens all the programs. This is notification area in the right side. In notification area, we can see the date and time, volume, etc. icons. And middle part of the taskbar is quick launch bar. In quick launch bar, we can add the frequently used programs. Now we see the customizing of the taskbar, like as right click on the taskbar and click on the lock button. When you click on the lock button, it lock the taskbar, and you want to move the taskbar in right, upper and left side, then you can unlock the taskbar. When you want to customize the program, right click on the taskbar, click on cascade window. This shows all programs like this. When you click on cascade window, it shows these programs like this. You can, after cascading the window taskbar, you can arrange the programs. Now we will customize the desktop. To customize the desktop, right click on the blank area of the desktop, click on the properties. If you want to customize the background of the desktop, then click on the background. Select any of the background style like this, and if you want to change the color also, then select any of the color like this and click on the apply button like this. You can change the background of the desktop. If you want to apply screensaver is the images when your system remain idle for some time, it shows. If you want to apply screensaver, then click on the screensaver and select any of the screensaver, like as you want to write your name, click on 3D text like this and click on apply button like this. You can customize the desktop background. Next topic is customizing the window. You want to change the date and time, then click on the right corner of the taskbar like this. Click on it. It shows this window, and you want to change the date and time like this. You can change month, year, and from here you can change time. After changes, click on apply button like this. Next topic is volume. You want to mute the system and volume high or volume low, then click on this button like this. You can set the volumes from here. Next topic is apply shortcut menu. When you want to apply shortcut menu of any program, then right click on the program and click on the properties option like this, and click on shortcut option. From where you want to apply this program, then right in this window and click on apply. Also apply the shortcut menu, right click on any program and then click on shortcut option like this. You can also create the shortcut of any program.